Not every storm is created equally, but each one has its own unique qualities. Hurricane Henri was far from impressive when it came to intensity. In fact, it weakened to just a tropical storm before landfall. The winds were enough to make a mess of the town, but not much else. Henri did, however, present us with some of the most dramatic ocean views we've seen while chasing a tropical system. We also set up a search probe on Eaton Beach, just in case there was anything to see. A unique blend of topography, man-built structures, and storm orientation let us watch these massive 10-foot waves crash into the rocks and seawall just southwest of Newport, Rhode Island. Let's check back to that Eaton Beach search probe and see if it's catching anything.
You big old sus, yeah. I just doubled up on crypto. I just doubled down on the new vest. Now my chair looking like 2 checks.
While not the most memorable chase for the traditional reasons, we did make the most of it. That's all for now, folks. I'll catch you on the next one.